Okay, so here we're going to go through the driver assistance features on the Chevrolet 2500. Some of these options will be available on the 1500. The exhaust brake will not be. Push it down right here, and that's going to allow your exhaust brake to kick in. It's going to allow backflow pressure through the engine to help you pull the trailer more safely, and it's going to maintenance on your brakes and rotors to be maintained better. Here we have the lane change alert. This will let you know when you get out of your lane. It will beep at you or vibrate your seat depending on the options that you've changed in the radio. Here you have your park assist, so you can turn those on and off like that, front and rear. Here we have the tailgate to let it go down and back up. That's available on the LTZs and High Countries. Your hazard lights, your traction control, which if you turn that off, basically what this does is if you're to take off from somewhere and your tire loses traction, it'll lessen the torque to each wheel to maintain full traction as necessary. And this will be your power button to allow you to receive power to the 110 volts. And here you have your hill descent control, which you get on the Z71 package for when you're climbing down hills. Available also is the power assist steps, which would be right here. And you can push that and open up your steps, or you can push it, turn it off so they don't open whenever you open the door. Also here we have the trailer brake control. So the way this works, it's recommended if you're pulling a trailer that weighs over 2,000 pounds that it has brakes on it. The way this works, once you get your trailer hooked up on it, get on a side road with no traffic, hold this without holding your brakes to the truck. Once it stops your trailer, it'll tell you on your speedometer here, it might say 3 gain. That means you need to hit this 6 times because it goes by half a gain each decrease and increase. Once you get it to 3, do the same thing again, 5 to 7 miles per hour, hold it down until you stop, and then it'll tell you to increase or decrease by however much gain, and that's how you get that set.